Unam Nigeria, Edney ye Juma.
Of course.
Chairman, or Ghana, NDC 4% we are seeing now, so on your papa.
Exactly.
Nigeria 4, ECOWAS 4, United Nations 4, any other ones, Yomo dear, a Juma, why the Yeshe, and your party, Yomo Jenny say, free money at the Casano. They saw say no, woman are competent. And your country be to say Nigeria no, ya money ya then, alcohol non cobwa in a way. Now, NDC first started. East Nam February, Magana for East Nam February, my parliament. East ni ye say, East ni ye say, East ni just say. Every time they get an opportunity, they have to say something bad about the EC. And it's quite sad because we are in a situation where Yan Kasa Yan Crawford, Utie, and pay Yan Ghana Niama. But we rather put ourselves on, excuse me to use the word, a who dear, one more MYN, one more almost be Papa Bia MIN. And it is crazy.
We hate ourselves. And that's the problem.
Chairman, we reading your maybe fetch me. And that here for more fan chairman. Mon fan chairman, I am me, ya papa chairman, me fancy you. I am me, ya na minim. Minim say easy no who, minim say easy no who can ne. Ke hona kamiko because what we say, okay, chairman, in America, right?
Yeah.
Say, ube to me, every tour. Say, we are citizen, and I'm a boy.
Of course.
Into your citizenship card, and I say, citizenship card is very, very essential. No, you do register, and no, you use we American, near ube to me at Tuaba, and I'm a boy.
Yeah.
Okay. America, ube to me the driver's license, and Kwako register, say, Tuaba. I'm talking about voters registration. On the day of Uko voting, I'm talking about registration.
You have to be a citizen to be able to vote in this country.
So you must be captured in the voters ID or in the voters register, and then now the piece of ID to verify say now who state say into me to me to aba and I'm a boy.
Of course, yeah. And I say you know, so the consequences you would do it. So when you say when you see that say
now they be a mekase nanado ninyame bekoswegu NDC for anymore as they be chairman.
Amen.
Papa no, just a few people are a man of bad name no. What try say or be lift Ghana in terms of our agencies.
Of course.
Oko police, waye juma. Oko courts, waye juma. Oko army, waye juma. Interior, waye juma. Immigration, waye juma.
Hey, I be on my fuck the other side shit. On a different climate, can't climb this. Looking at that contract, I ain't signed it. Rewind it. Looking at that contract, I ain't signed it. How to bring that shit back for the A&Rs, think they could buy this.
Everywhere there needs to be support. This man is doing it.
And he's bringing jobs, factories.
Every time.
Almost say why is he bringing factories to Ghana? Almost hey, Ghana for Charlie.
Because they lack sense and they don't know what governance is about.
Almost say Katanka or Ghana already. Why is he bringing Toyota, Volkswagen, and other ones? Let me say, no more Jimmy.
The reason is because chairman, they be American. Sadiano, so who knew ye no be koya. Obeka say who knew ye. Oh, we cried and you say that ye. The mouse won't to me yet. Now, most page na men start and the program personally. Ye the nyamiase or the nature obi a hope say what na say ubi tie de ekoso. And there were videos kakra bi wo ha ye bebo na ya pensen mu. Na ye the attitude in back. The last time I heard somebody said she's crying for me. She has missed me, so she wants me back. She wants to come back to MPP. Send Kwasia Taylor all the way in US. Etin the cubicle mu can Kwasia Sem say. Mon Kwasi Ayalolo. As I was for rise up. Volta region, rise up, go and fight. Storm out and cause mayhem. Cause an insurrection in Ghana. Why? Because John Dramani Mahama has lost an election. Is he the only president that has lost an election in Ghana? No.
Hell no.
Is he the only person that has lost an election in Ghana? No. Let's go to Nana Akufo-Addo. Since 1996, he has been trying to get a chance to serve this country. When he even became the flag bearer, it took him 3 elections in order to win.
Yes.
2008, Ojinaye Wenya. 2013, Ojinaye Wenya.
Yeah.
Yeah. 2013, Ojinaye Wenya. And at 2016, Nyamiada Roma, Onyaye. Mahama is not the only person that has lost an election.
And he came as an accidental president.
And Nanado, thank you for making that clarity. An accidental president. Nanado, who said you, how would I even put it? What babri when you ma babri when you na onyano. Edu brebi pa sebi. Ne party for mema, satan no samia ukunum, gabi otreda kunum. We are talking Kombe, Lord Kombe num, Ashanti region my Paneba, Usu Timikobi. Now, my main quite say Dunkatia de so. I said Dunkatia no. Ya na ye can, Ebi Obibeka say, Papa na nyinti, and Nikwasi and then Kasasa. Aye, and there, when he's old enough to be my father, but wicked enough not to be my father. My main can't say Binchro. What can what I say? Why is it that the NDC people omo attain power, omo go through omo hierarchy na no man say so omo busu afo nyina ko go abrochire? If they meant good for Ghana, Rollins say buy was say ne man nyina ko go abrochire say ye de yen hia for mangu Ghana na ne bazinato enkoye doctor no mbedi so. And in fact, people of Kolekrote see nothing wrong with what went on. Eda so koto abama zinato. So mbedi obi ane papa de omani sika at the expense of you. And a swan no call ye chin no was in a down for bruni be na channel. No aba monto aba mame. Now the old mammy the mine sick and be the uko brocha and kay umbe mampe no asa koto aba no dia mano. All but one can't them say kole laguna da hono or be yen cleaning the ways is what also say. Meba. What so how many years in it? Mummy and fair no to chain. I said Dunkatia said the American was a wicked man. Na no ambition say obey lady NDC na wa baba ye flag bearer. And yet Mahama who no new. Because what short na said Dunkatia beto say they went to court. Omuni evidence biana or person or catcher say Mahama, excuse my language, is useless in terms of presidency and candidacy say yamfano and be yes Mampenny because or person or say Mahama ye jai Ghana man or best say no why not doing so person say Ghana because I to very peacefully na mutimi ko catcher say abano mo wini abra mo kra no munki mesi NDC no let us dare them say 1992 year to about 96 year to about 2000 year to about 2004 year to about 2008 year to about 2012 year to bisa a single collation of these elections they cannot and they have never they always win elections from electoral commission they bring there. They have never themselves gathered any pink sheet. In any case, I say don't get your case or back or say or machine no crash here mebwa.